Hey friends, welcome to Uttara Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's video is dedicated to all coffee lovers. We are going to share the recipe of beaten coffee, which is also known as Dalgona Coffee or Frappe. Did you know this coffee is trending on all social media platforms? Beaten coffee is a beverage made by whipping instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it becomes frothy and then adding it to milk. While Dalgona coffee recipe is the same as beaten coffee except for adding Dalgona, a South Korean honeycomb toffee candy. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Instant coffee powder, sugar. We are using raw sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Milk. Here we have whole milk and almond milk. We are going to make a cup of cold beaten coffee or frappe using almond milk, and a cup of hot coffee using whole milk. If you ran out of milk, you can use milk powder to make this recipe. Let's boil the milk for our hot coffee. While the milk is boiling, let's whip the coffee. I'm adding instant coffee powder, sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water to a cup. I'm using a milk frother to beat everything well until it forms foam. You can use a spoon, fork, or even a whisk. Anything will work. We are doing this so the coffee could become frothy and foamy. We are trying to aerate into a paste-like substance. It took about 2 minutes to reach the desired thickness. Let's set it aside. To make cold coffee, add ice cubes, milk of your choice. We are using unsweetened vanilla-flavored almond milk. Gently add the whipped coffee, garnish with instant coffee powder or cocoa powder. Yum! Cold almond milk beaten or Dalgona coffee or frappe is ready. To prepare hot coffee, I'm going to use my milk frother to aerate the milk before turning the stove off. Add hot milk to a cup. Gently add the whipped coffee. Now, slowly add the milk froth. Garnish with whipped coffee and instant coffee. Hot beaten coffee, or I like to call it frappe, is ready. Enjoy this hot or cold beaten coffee or frappe of your choice. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!